Hi guys, and thank you for tuning in. You joined me on a very exciting trip. I am, as I speak, en route to go pick up my new canoe. I hummed and hawed and dithered and dawdled and studied and researched for months and months to choose which canoe it is that I wanted and that I could afford, obviously, that was in my budget. And I settled on Silverbirch. It's a UK-based company. I believe they're based in Norwich, but I'm not entirely certain. I'll put a link to their website in the description below. Go check them out. Absolutely incredible canoes. The website's brilliant. You can have a lot of fun with the configurator and choose everything on the canoe. The internal colour, the external colour, the type of wood that you want on the seats, the gunnons, the yoke, everything. A lot of fun there. I personally configured my canoe to a certain specification that I wanted, so very excited to see how it turned out. And I assume it's all wrapped up in plastic and cardboards, and so I shall make a video of the unveiling, the unwrapping, and we'll get to see it together for the first time. You'll get to see my reaction, and yeah, exciting stuff. Stay tuned. I don't actually know the exact location of the forwarding agency, so this could be interesting. I just spoke to a very nice chappie in the delivery company, trucking company. Typical Germans. Lots of paperwork, bureaucracy involved in just picking up a canoe. It's a huge place, big depot, and so I've been sent on a mission to drive around the entire building and look for a loading bay 21. I then have to give him 2 pieces of paper before signing a 3rd piece of paper that he'll give me, to which I will then have my canoe released to me. Yikes. Alright, yeah, so it's well wrapped up. Haven't had a good chance to look at it really. You can just see the name Silverbirch there. Lots of excellent packaging. Now it's time to strap it down and take it home. Alright, I'm out of the depot. I have a canoe strapped to the roof. As you can see from the strap going straight across my forehead, I'm a little out of practice at putting my canoe on the roof. And I've badly positioned this, but it's only a very short drive to my house, where I can then take the canoe down and we can do the unwrapping, the revealing, and reaction. Stay tuned. That's me back home. As you can see, the canoe made it, and now it's time to get this bad boy down and bring him into the garden, where I'll do the big reveal, and we'll get a reaction to how the canoe looks. Time to get to work. it opened up. So, let's get started on opening my best ever Christmas present. I need to keep this. Smells good. It smells very new. Receipt. Silverbirch Broadland 16. There it is. Now, first off, straight away, I get to see that beautiful burnt orange colour. Fantastic. Absolutely love that colour. Really cool. So far so good. The orange lacing, I requested to have orange lacing installed. Again, excellent, that's on. Vinyl gunnings. I could have got wood here instead, and it would have made the canoe a little bit lighter. But I'm quite rough with my canoes. I'm quite clumsy in general, and so I thought this would be better for me. It's a bit harder wearing. I don't want to scratch the wood. I would always be worried that the wood was getting damaged, and so I went with the vinyl gunnings rather than the wood. So that's perfect too. Skipping down some rivers, open water too, nice and wide, brilliant balance in the water, very excited. Certainly a lot lighter than my previous canoe. You can see how it is, getting it up onto the shoulders. This specific one is made of Duralite. It's a slightly lighter material that they produce. I think in total this one's around 30 kilo, which is manageable for me. I can lift that comfortably. I can carry that a good distance. So the solo missions will be relatively done with ease, and obviously if I've got somebody else with me, even better. Let's have a little tour. We have it, my new Silverbirch Boardland 16 canoe. Reaction and opening, everything perfect, exactly as I wanted. Really thrilled. I can't wait to get this out on the water. Stay tuned for my next video where we'll get this out and take it down the river here in Germany called the Iller, and see how it handles some rapids. Thanks for watching.